Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Josue here from the McAllen store, D-Tronics. So we got here a 2026 Hurricane pontoon boat. This is what we did to it. All right, on this we have something that comes with stock speakers. We decided to do a little upgrade on them with our new M6 6.5 by JL marine grade speakers, and they do have RGB lights on them. We also added a amp to it right under the console. We added some lights on the bottom so that way they can light up whenever they're out having a fun time, like at the lake, at the beach. Here we added a fuse to protect our amp, obviously, and a second battery, so that way he can have one battery for his boat and one battery for all his accessories.